So one of the most common questions that I get asked a lot is, which niche should I choose for CPA marketing? And that is a very good question because the niche that you choose is going to be one of the most important decisions that you make, which is a great determinant whether you are going to earn money with CPA marketing or not. If you are someone who is unsure of what niche to choose, I recommend to go for niches that have longevity and has an actual proven record. And also you want to go for niches that has enough audience in demand. If you don't go for this type of niches, I can assure you, you are not going to make any money with CPA marketing. And this is by far one of the biggest mistakes I see most beginners make. And they go ahead to choose the wrong niche. And at the end of the day, they complain, it doesn't work. And they would start saying CPA marketing is a scam and it doesn't work. However, the fact of the matter is CPA marketing does actually work, but when you put yourself in the wrong vehicle and a vehicle that is not lucrative to begin with, or you just simply go ahead picking niches that aren't in demand or niches that are already oversaturated by other affiliates, it's no brainer that you are not going to make any money from that. And that is just the brutal truth. Since you are still watching this video right now, that means you're actually serious about making money with CPA marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you the real source. And I mean, I'm going to show you one of the hottest niches to jump on right now while it is still hot in 2025. You can earn up to $30,000 every single month with less than 20 minutes of work every single day with this niche. And the niche is AI storytelling niche. We all know AI is taking over and AI is definitely here to stay. So this is an emerging niche and it's so lucrative right now with a huge audience. People are so interested in AI right now. If you're not taking advantage of AI right now, you are definitely being left behind. So here is an example of a niche that is doing exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. And the niche is Miracle Animal Rescue. So if you over here, you can see, if you go over to the oldest, this channel started publishing video last month, as you can see, 1 month ago. And if I go over to the about section of the channel, as you can see, this is a brand new channel, basically about 3 months old from the time of making this video. And you can see they have over 26 million views. So that tells you, even with a brand new channel, you can still make money as long as you pick the right niche. Okay, so now if you take a look at these videos, you can see these are definitely AI videos right here. And as you can see here, these videos are under 2 minutes long. Most of them are under 2 minutes. Actually, although there are some of them that are over 3 minutes long, but majority of them are basically under 1 minute. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to create this type of videos right here. All you need to do is to go over to a text to image generator like Peak Lumen, and this is a free AI tool you can use to generate images. So you can type in something like whale in the ocean. Okay, so if you do this, you can come over here. You want to basically click on enter. As you can see right here, in just a couple of seconds, it has generated an image for us. So all we want to do from here is to simply click on this download button to download this image to your device. So once you download this image to your device, you are going to come over to the next AI tool, which is pixverse.ai. So this is an AI tool as well you can use to generate videos from images. So once you come over to this tool, all you simply need to do is to upload the image right here. So once you upload the image, you can add a short description of what you want the image to do, something like whale swimming in ocean. Okay, so once you do this, all you just need to do is to click on create. In less than 15 seconds, this AI tool has converted that image to a video for us, which we can then use to create simple AI videos like this that are getting thousands of views on this channel. So that is simply how you create this type of videos. So another thing you can also do is to come over to sound effects. And once you come over here, you want to come over to where it says sound. And this is where you want to add a sound to this video. So you can type in a simple prompt like this, add a whale swimming in ocean sound. All you just need to do is to then click on this create right here, and it's going to add a sound effect to that video. So once you do that and everything looks good, all you just need to do is to click on this download button right here, and you can download the video straight away to your device. It's that simple. Okay, this is how you create multiple scenes like this, which you can then use a tool like CapCut to merge all these scenes together, and you can use it to create a 2 minute video, which you can then upload to YouTube and start getting views. And don't worry, you might start asking, how do we make money with CPA marketing doing this? And I'm going to talk about that in a moment. And this niche typically pays around $2.5 to $3 RPM, which means how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views. And I can tell you this channel has made at least $50,000 so far from ads alone. As you can see here, people are actually liking this video. You can see these comments right here saying, thank you for your relentless effort to save wildlife. So you can basically see this type of comments here, and people actually believe this type of videos. Okay, you can see this one here saying incredible rescue. So I'm going to show you how you can start making money from this type of audience right away. So the next thing you want to simply do is to come over to platforms like cpagrip.com. Then you want to head over to the section that says monetization tools. So once you come over here, you want to click on offer walls. So once you do that, you want to create new offer wall, and you want to agree to terms of service, and you want to click on continue. Basically, we are going to be promoting this offer wall to people in this niche. You can see an example right here: love animals, support their care, support miracle animal rescue. So this is the name of the channel right here, and if you scroll down, you can see this is an image of a real person right here. So now if I scroll down here, you can see it says collect at least 5,000 points below. It takes only 2 minutes of your time to help rescue more animals. And as you can see here, once people start completing these offers to get these 5,000 points, as you can see, they have to complete multiple offers. And keep in mind, you can earn up to $5 or $10 depending on the offer they completed. Okay, and as you can see here, you can even change this to 10,000 points. This is really up to you. So this is where you want to simply come over here and type in the amount of points you want people to earn right here. Okay, so this is their way of supporting the channel. Okay, and now to add an image, you want to basically just come over to this image icon, and this is where you want to paste in an image. All right. And to get free images you can use, all you need to do is to go over to pexels.com and just type in animal rescue in the search bar. You are going to find so many images you can use. So once you click on the image, all you then need to do from here is to right click, and you want to make sure to click on the copy image address option. So once you click on that option, you want to come back to CPA Grip, and this is where you want to paste in that URL, and you want to click on submit. It's that simple. So once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on get code, and you'll be able to copy this code. And now you don't even need to pay for landing page builders. You can use free sites like googlesite.com to create free landing page. So once you come over to Google site, you want to delete this, and you want to double tap on anywhere on the screen, and you want to click on this embed. You want to click on embed code, and you want to click on next. It's then going to show a preview of the offer wall. So once it shows the preview, this is all you literally need to do, and you want to click on publish. And here you want to then give it a name. You can type in something like animal rescue. Okay, so you want to then click on publish. So once you do that, you then want to click on this URL button. You want to make sure to copy only this section right here and exclude this home part. So once you open the link in a new tab, everything is going to look like this. And this is where people are then going to see the offer, and they can start collecting up to 5,000 points right here. Like I said, this really is up to you. Okay, so this is a very simple way you can make money from this audience. All you just need to then do is to copy the link to your Google site landing page, and you can then pin it to the top of your comment, and you can also add it to the description as well. So here's an example of a good call to action you can use right here. You can basically pin this to the comment and also in the description of your video. By clicking this link, you can support animal rescue organizations. Let's make the world a better place for animals. So this is a very simple call to action that is going to get this audience to click on this link. And once they click on that, it's going to bring them to this page where they can then earn points to support the channel. And so, once you start earning money, you can simply go over to Google and look for an actual animal rescue organization, and you can donate some of that earnings to the organization. Okay, all you just need to do is to go over to Google and you will find so many organizations like this, and you can send them some of that money and you can keep some for yourself. And finally, I'm going to give you a bonus of how to create the best engaging video for this niche. Okay, you want to make sure to go over to deepseek.com, which is also an AI tool that is going to be doing all the work for us. So you want to type in a very simple prompt like this: write me a 5-minute script on a video of a turtle getting rescued by a team of divers. All right, so you can change this to any animal of your choice. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to generate a whole script which you can use to create your videos. So once it creates the script, you want to then also make a second prompt, which you'll be basically asking DeepSeek to generate prompts, which you'll be using to generate clips for each scene. Okay, so once you type that, as you can see, you are going to see so many scenes you can generate right here. Okay, so if I scroll down here, so if I take this prompt here as an example, so I'm going to basically copy this prompt. Then the first thing I'm going to do is to go over to Pick Lumen. We are going to convert this text to image, and you want to make sure to click on this button. So as you can see, in just a couple of seconds, it has generated an image for us. So we want to make sure to download this image to our device. And that takes us to the next AI tool, which we'll be using to convert that image to video. Okay, so you want to upload the image. Once you upload the image, you want to make sure to paste in the same exact script again, and you want to click on create. So as you can see, it has generated a clip for that scene, which you can basically use softwares like CapCut to combine all of these videos together to make it a single video, and you can start uploading these videos to YouTube. As you can see, this took less than 5 minutes. So you can create videos up to 2 minutes, 5 minutes long using free AI tools out there and start making money with CPA marketing.